In this video, you will learn how to modify a wall in 3D view. But before exploring in 3D, you are going to learn how to modify a wall at floor plan. When we click a wall, as you can see, a modifier box appears. First one adds points. Second one turns a straight line into a curved shape. With this button you can add additional points into your curve. This feature came in the latest versions. After that you can continue to change these curves. I want to show you how to offset. I click any wall and click any blue reference line. In the opening box I click this offset tool. At this moment I can input a value or click anywhere on the screen. Let's switch to 3D viewport. Press F3. In the 3D visualization, click Perspective View button. Orbit the view with Shift plus middle mouse and click the wall. You just click the reference line and editing box will appear. You can add points and curve editing like 2D floor plan. Where you need to take attention is here. You only must click the blue line. Other parts of the wall won't open editing box. Or you can click the ending point. Once you did this, you can also move this point another place and change your wall main shape. Also, you can move the elevation with this point. I click the second extrude tool and change the height. Or I can also use this point. This only works for extrude. Once we did this, the numbers here was also changed. You can also use trim, extend or adjust tools as well as floor plan. I click intersect and as you can see both intersected. I'm gonna copy this wall. I just click Alt button and click the reference wall. After do that, I place another one. This time I press Ctrl button and start to trim. As you can see, trimming in 3D works as well as 2D. I will show you how to change any part of the wall independently. Press Ctrl plus T and open Settings menu. This part is inside of the wall, the white one. Click this button and change the color. Choose any surface and click OK. Let's change the outside of the wall. Wear the side with blue reference line. Go to Settings and open first box. Choose any surface and click OK. As you can see, this side of the wall changed separately. You can change the remaining parts of the wall from here. If you click this box, this part will turn back to its original element, which you can see from here. That's all it. Let's go to the door tool.